open your course and complete Lesson 11. In this video, you'll learn to check the data type stored in a variable. Type checking is the process of identifying or verifying the data type of a variable. We can easily find out the data type of a variable using the type instruction. In the previous video, we learned about data types such as strings, integers, and floats. In this video, we will learn how to identify the data type of a variable using the type instruction. First, start with strings. Here, I'm declaring a variable with the name first_name and assigning it the value John. First name is the variable name, and John is the variable value. Using the type instruction to identify the data type of the variable, I will display this information using the print instruction. We can also directly check the type by placing a value in the type instruction. I am placing a John value directly in the type instruction to identify the data type. Type instruction with integers. I'm assigning the value 23 to a variable named age. Using type instruction to identify data type and displaying it with print. Now let's try with float data type. Let's use the type instruction with a float. I have a variable named height with a value of 6.0. I'll use type to find the data type and display it using print instruction. We can also directly check the type by placing a value in the type instruction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel.